Yo, what's up, guys? Take a look at the nice river. We're back fishing, trying to go for some steelhead. Salmon season is over, but you know we're gonna test our luck with the steelheads. It's a lot more fun to fight, but they're a lot harder to catch. If I do say so myself. We caught a couple earlier at Poro, like last week, but we're gonna try the river this time. Anyways, see you on the river. Peace out. So guys, as you can see, the water's quite low, so we're just gonna do some sight fishing. If not, we're gonna be prepared for the next time it rains, and then we're gonna know the good spots. We haven't really been down on this side, but we're gonna try it out because the other island, the other hole that we were fishing at, it usually gets really packed. But there you go. We're just looking for spots. Say wagwan to Adam, my guy. He came with me on the trip. Hopefully we could catch one. Hopefully Adam could hook onto one and get a fight going. We'll see. Came across a stumbling block. The path on that side was barricaded off by some trees that just fell down. So Adam's pulling out the machete. He's gonna get us through this. Let's get it. We need to hit that other side of the hole. That this guy kept telling us about it. I've been there once or twice to fish before, but no luck. Appreciate it. It's called Filipino Island, like the best spot to fish in the Credit River. Ask any fishermen, good fishermen that fish here often, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Filipino Island. Filipino Island, the place to be. Yes, we just passed by the Falling Rocks. The Falling Rocks is a little different from last year. Just came across a nice little spot. Trying to stay quiet to not spook out those rainbow trout, because you know how fast they get spooked out. But take a look at the terrain we're dealing with. This is beautiful. And this little spot is pretty deep itself, so we're gonna give it a try. You ready? You ready, Adam?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it. Craziest thing happened. We kept on walking, and boom! That is just unbelievable. At least like 20 dead, 30 dead Chinook. Like 40. There's probably like 100 dead Chinook here. Just cycle of life, you know. But wow, what a sight! That's amazing. Like obviously it's sad, but you know, you can't even make this up. Holy crow! Adam just spotted like 7 rainbows chilling right there. I don't know if you guys could see them. We're gonna try casting. Hopefully they'll bite. It's a little shallow on this side, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna go for it. Talk soon, guys. I'm gonna set you guys up like right about here. I don't know, it might not be the best view, but no, I think I'll just put you right here on the grass. I'm not trying not to spook the trout out, but are they still there in front of us? Huh? I see 2. We're able to see that they just got spooked and they went left, but those were definitely, I'm pretty sure they were brown trouts. Hopefully we could catch one of those. That'd be awesome. Anyways, we're gonna try to follow them and cast about wherever they go. See y'all soon.
See ya.
Just found a hidden gem. Does it get more beautiful than this? Holy. The water is just nice. My gosh. Something about it. You just can't beat it. Amazing. Do I see any? I'm not trying to spook them. I'll be quiet if I see anything. Look at that. That is just awesome. Water just flowing straight into the sun. Beauty. Check this spot out, guys. Super, super deep spot. Really nice. Beautiful.